Hello friends, welcome to the course Development of AI Personal Assistant using Python. Before starting the project, we are going to see the output of this project and run the program. Hi, what is the time now?
16:45.
What is the date today?
February 2nd, 2023.
Ravi phone number?
Ravi phone number is 123-456-7890.
Bank account number?
Bank account number is 9999-333-3999.
How are you?
Please ask correct question.
What is your name?
Please ask correct question.
Play world famous tour places.
Playing world famous tour places.
Tell about Himalaya Hills.
The Indian Himalayan region, abbreviated to IHR, is the section of the Himalayas within the Republic of India, spanning 7 Indian states and union territories, namely Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal and Arunachal Pradesh.
So this is how we can run our project. So this project will run continuously. Now we are going to start the code. We are going to develop this project in Visual Studio Code. If you need Visual Studio Code, you can go to Google and search for Visual Studio Code. And this is the first link. You can download it. https code.visualstudio.com. Open this. It will show page like this. You can download Visual Studio Code from this link for our required operating system. I am downloading for Windows and I have downloaded and installed Visual Studio Code. Now we are going to develop our project. I am going to create a new file. Right click. This is the file explorer. Right click and create new file. AI assistant.py. Now we need to install some libraries to do this project. To install the required library, go to the terminal. Click the terminal and click new terminal. Here we can install our required library. We need 3 libraries. Speech recognition, one. Next one is py 3. Next one is pywhatkit. And next one is wikipedia. So these are the 4 libraries we need. Now we are going to install this library. Copy this and paste it here. Enter. I have already installed this library and copy this library and paste it here. I have already installed this one and pywhatkit. Copy this and install it and pip install wikipedia. Copy this library and paste it here. Install it. So we can install this from the terminal. Click the terminal and click new terminal. We will get this window. You can install this library. Now close this. Now we need to import all these libraries. I will comment this. You can check for your reference. Now I am going to import speech recognition as SR. So the speech recognition is the library name and SR as the shortcut. We can use the speech recognition is the word with the word SR. Now import the next library pytsx3. pytsx3. Then import pywhatkit. Import wikipedia. We have imported all the required libraries. Now we are going to create the text to speech. First step, we are going to use the text to speech library to speak what we give as input. For that I am going to create a function def speak. This is a function name. We can provide any name for this function, and I'm going to provide a command. So this system will speak this command, and I'm going to create a object for the library pywhatsx3 library object. For this, I'm going to create a object name engine. Engine is equal to pywx3 dot init. So now we have created a object for this library. So this library is used to text to speech. So what we give as text, it will give in voice. After that, we need to say the command engine dot say command. That means this will speak what the command we give in input, and engine dot run and wait. So now we can test this function. File, save. To test this function, we are going to call this function speak welcome to project. So we are passing this text to our function, and we can see the output. Save the program, file save, run the program.
Welcome to project.
Our project is running successfully. Now I want to change the voice. Change the voice, we have to collect all the voices. Go to the function and create a variable called voices. Voices equal to engine dot get property. This function will collect all the voices. Now we need to set property. Engine set property. In this, we need to set the voice comma voices. We have collected the voices of 1 dot id. So here we can get different voices by changing this number. Now I'm going to check this. File save, run this program.
Welcome to project.
Now we are getting a female voice. We can change this to some other voice. I change to 0. File save, run.
Welcome to project.
We can either change 0 or 1. 0 to get male voice and 1 for female voice. I'm going to use the female voice for our project. File save, run.
Welcome to project.
Now we have successfully changed our voice. Now we are going to recognize the command that we are speaking through the microphone. For that, we are going to create a object for the recognizer. Here I am going to create a variable called r, which is equal to sr. Sr is the short name of speech recognition dot recognizer. This is a built-in function. We can use this recognizer. Now we have created an object called r. Now I am going to create a function to capture the voice. Def commands. So I'm going to give a name for this function, commands. Enter. For that, I'm going to use the try and catch function, because sometimes we may not get the microphone feed. That is why we need to use try and catch. Try, pause, except, pause. So we have created a try and except method. We are going to capture the microphone with sr.microphone as source. So we are capturing the microphone as the source, that means input, and we are going to adjust the microphone for removing noise. R dot adjust for ambient noise of source. So we need to remove the noise from the captured input, then only we can easily identify the words. Now we are showing the command listening in the input. Print listening. So we need to ask when this is displayed in our output. So now we are going to capture the audio. I'm going to provide the name audio in is equal to r.listen from source. So this is the source. From this source we are listening it and storing the data into audio in. We are going to use recognize Google to capture what is the word is spoken in the input. So we can use the my text. I am going to provide a word my text is equal to r dot recognize Google of the audio. So we are passing the audio in to our recognize Google function. This will recognize the word spoken in the audio in, and it will give us my text. Now we are going to convert this my text to lowercase. My text is equal to my text dot lower. So we don't want any capital letters in this. Then we are going to print the words. Print my text. Now we will check if this is working properly. If there is any problem, that means in this try we are going to do this. If there is any problem, that means the microphone is not capturing, or settings are wrong, or any drivers are not installed properly, then we will automatically go to the pause except method. Here we can print error in capturing. So we can give a message like this. If there is any problem in capturing the microphone, it will automatically come to the except. So we can easily display the problem, that is the error in capturing this. Now we will capture the commands and we will pass the commands to our function. Now ask welcome to our project, and now I am going to call the commands function. Commands. Save this file, save and run this.
Welcome to project.
Now it is listening. Hello, how are you? So we can see that our input hello, how are you is coming here. That means our program is working well. So here also we can get this text. Now we need to analyze the text, what is asked, and then we need to ask the speak function to speak the word. Now we will check this is speaking or not. Speak my text. So now after printing we are calling this function. So we don't need to this thing. We just calling the commands function. File, save, run this program. Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
It is printing that hello, how are you, and also it is speaking through the speaker. Hello, how are you, like that. So we have successfully created our speech recognition and text to speech, getting the audio and identify what is spoken and converted to text. Then we are speaking that text as voice. Now we need to check what is spoken in this text. So instead of instead of speaking that, we need to analyze this. We are going to recognize 6 things in our project. We are going to recognize play, ask to play song, ask date, ask time, ask details about person, ask phone numbers, and ask bank account numbers, ask personal. So these are the things we are going to implement in our project. If you want, you can add a lot of things like this. The same procedure you can add. Now we are going to ask to play a song. So to get a song played, we need to check if the word play is there in our input text. If play in my text, this is our input text, we are checking whether the word play is in the my text function, my text variable. If there is the word play, we need to remove the word, then only we can play the song with the YouTube. For that, my text is equal to my text dot replace. So we are going to replace the word play and with the empty. Now our my text will be without the word play. So we can easily, suppose if we say play songs, that means asking to play songs, we will remove the word play from this, and we are asking to we are just passing only the song for the YouTube to play. That is why we need to remove the word play from the text. Then we are going to use pywhatkit. So we have already imported the library pywhatkit dot play on YouTube, play on YT. So here we need to pass the my text. That's it. So 3 simple lines, we can easily play the songs from YouTube. Now save the program, and we need to speak the word before playing it through YouTube. We can call the speak function. This function speak playing my text. After playing after speaking that, we are going to play the song the YouTube. To play the song in YouTube, we are going to use the library pywhatkit. So now we are going to test this. Run this program. Play song, play anything from YouTube by our command. Now we are asking dates. If date in my text, the word date in our input text, then we need to tell the date. For that, we need to get the date from our computer. Today is equal to datetime dot date dot today. We need to import the library datetime, import datetime. So from this we can get the current date, and we can tell the date through our voice. Speak today. That's it. We can easily get the date. We can ask like any command that contains date, it will give the date to us. File, save, run the program. What is today date?
February 2nd, 2023.
We can ask like this, and we can also do this for time. I am copying this and paste it again. If it contains time in text, we are going to I'm going to create a variable time now. Datetime dot datetime, again datetime dot now now we need to format the datetime for our requirement. Hour and minute, percentage hour colon percentage minute. So we can do like this, and we can ask to speak time now. So we will check this, ask time, control X, control V. So we have completed date and now time. File, save, run. Hi, what is the time? So we are getting error. So what my mistake is, I need to provide the function for strf time, string format time, strf time. So then I can speak the time. File, save, run the program. What is the time now?
16:29.
So we can easily get the time. Now we are going to ask some details about the person. So this is the next thing we are going to do. If who is in my text, then if you are asking the details about any person, then we can ask who is, and we can provide the person name. So here who is and my text. So we are going to get the person is equal to my text dot replace. We need to replace the word who is with empty, and then we are asking the Wikipedia to give the information. So we are capturing the information in the info variable is equal to Wikipedia. We have already imported the Wikipedia library summary of person. We are getting the person name here, and we are passing it to our Wikipedia function. We are passing it to Wikipedia.summary function, and we are asking to display only one line. So we can provide more lines to get more long details, and then we need to pass this info to our voice speak info. That's it. File, save. Then we can ask for any phone number. Now we are going to for that, to get phone numbers, we are going to create phone numbers dictionary. Here I am going to create a dictionary that contains the name and the phone numbers. Dictionary name, phone numbers. So to create a dictionary, we are going to use this open and close braces. Between this, I am going to provide the name. First, I am going to give a simple name, Ravi, colon. So Ravi's phone number we need to provide here. I am giving sample numbers only. It is not correct numbers. So I am just giving some numbers. It is not correct. Copy this. Comma, and paste it here. Again provide a comma and paste it here. So Ravi, Raja. So I'm giving another number. So for Kumar, I'm giving some other number. So I'm just giving some random numbers. It is not anybody's number. We can use this dictionary for our searching purpose. Now to get the names, so we need to check if there is any word called phone numbers. If phone number in my text, then we need to collect all the names from the dictionary. So I am collecting the names and saving in a list. Names is equal to list from the phone numbers. So we are collecting all the names from this phone number, Ravi, Raja and Kumar, and storing in a list called names. So we can print this list and check it. Print names, save this and run the program. Phone numbers, so we can see the output Ravi, Raja and Kumar. Now we need to check the whose phone number is asked, like that. For names in, for name in names, we are collecting all names one by one from the names list. So each name will be coming into the name variable. So we are going to test if name in my text, that means the particular name is in the text my text, then we need to speak their names. Print or speak name, that means Ravi or Kumar, anybody's name, plus and their phone number is, plus we need to show the speak the phone numbers of the name, particular name. So we can speak, or if you want we can also type, copy and paste it here. Instead of speak, print, we can check it. File, save. We are asking to speak the Ravi's phone number. Ravi phone number please.
Ravi phone number is 123-456-7890.
Again I am running. Kumar phone number please.
Kumar phone number is 777-777-7777.
So like this we can get the phone numbers. Next we need to get the bank account numbers. So we can use the same method. So I'm going to create a dictionary bank accounts. The same method we are going to use, bank account numbers. So copy this, we are going to create one more dictionary, bank account numbers is equal to, so open brace and close brace to create a dictionary. First I'm going to create dummy bank names, TT. So we can provide any name here. I'm just giving the colon and then I'm giving the number for the TT bank account. So I'm giving some random numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and so I'm going to give one more number, bank name MM colon, the bank account number for this is, so I'm giving some random numbers for both bank account numbers. Now we need to pass this, we need to use this to get TT bank account number and MM bank account number. So we can create, we can ask, we can check if account number in my text. So that means we are asking the bank account number, and we are going to collect all the bank names like we already did the previous phone number example. So banks is equal to list of bank account numbers. We are going to collect all the bank names in the banks variable. It is in list format. From the list we are going to collect all the bank numbers one by one for bank in banks. So we are going to check if bank in my text, the particular bank is in the my text, then we need to speak the account number for the particular bank. Speak. So we need to pick the bank name first. So that means bank name comma plus and space bank account number is and plus we need to show the give the bank account number here. we need to collect the bank account number from bank account numbers dictionary, bank account numbers of bank. So we need to collect the thing. So we can also speak and print the details. Copy this and paste it here. So instead of speak, print. Save the program and run the program. TT bank account number.
TT bank account number is 123456789.
And I am going to ask the bank account number. Bank account number. So I need to ask properly. Bank account number.
bank account number is 9999-333-3999.
So we can easily do this. Now we need to check if there is, I'm just hiding this. We need to check if there is anything non-recognized. Then we need to speak, please ask properly. We can provide the text like this. So for that, instead of using if for every commands, I am going to use elif. If first it will check for play word in the my text. If it is not there, then it will come to date. If it is there, it will automatically skip the other things. So if we are using if, it will check everything. So it is not correct method. So elif, again elif, elif, and finally we need to provide if else. Sorry, if any other things are not there, if not recognized, so we can go to else. Speak, please give the proper, we can ask speak, please ask proper question, ask correct question. So like that we can system. Save the program and run it. File, save, run the program. Hi. So run it. Hello, how are you?
Please ask correct question.
So the hello, how are you? We have not do any processing for this. So we can also provide processing for hello, how are you? Hi, what are you doing? Like this. We can add more if statements. I have not done for this. If you are interested, please you do all the things yourself, and please give a comment. What are the new things you have done with this project? And if you have any doubts, also you can ask in comment. I will ready to answer. So now we have completed all the things, but every time we need to run the program. So for each recognition, we need to run the program. Now running it. What is the time now?
1644.
It is telling the time and it is closing. So we cannot ask other question. We need to run 1 second. For that, it should continuously wait for our input. So we are going to use the while loop, while true. So then we need to commands. So we are calling the commands. This function will run continuously after asking questions. Continuously it will ask questions. If there is anything recognized, then it will answer for our question. So save the program and run the program. Hi, what is the time now?
1645.
What is the date today?
February 2nd, 2023.
Ravi phone number.
Robbie phone number is 123-456-7890.
Bank account number.
Bank account number is 9999-333-3999.
How are you?
Please ask correct question.
What is your name?
Please ask correct question.
Play world famous tour places.
Playing world famous tour places.
Play how to improve personality.
Playing how to improve personality.
How are you?
Please ask correct question.
So this is how we can run our project. So this project will run continuously. So we can change something like instead of who is, we can ask tell about.
What we talk about when we talk about love is a 1981 collection of short stories by American writer Raymond Carver, as well as the title of one of the stories in the collection.
So it is running. I have not closed the window. So now I have changed to tell about. So we can ask about any places also using this tell about. File save, run. Tell about Himalaya hills.
The Indian Himalayan region, abbreviated to IHR, is the section of the Himalayas within the Republic of India, spanning 7 Indian states and union territories, namely Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal and Arunachal Pradesh.
So try this project yourself, and if you have any problem doing this project, you can ask your doubts in the comments. I will answer for all your questions happily. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like button, and if you think it will be useful for your friends, please share this video for your friends. I will be posting more videos, more projects regularly. So subscribe this channel for getting more videos, and press the bell icon to get notification immediately when I post new videos. Thank you very much for spending your time. Thank you very much.